Now let's go ahead and move this criteria query into our main program. I'm just going to go ahead and replace what we have here with this query with our create criteria, and we'll need a criteria object. And then we'll go ahead and comment out this query since we're not going to be using that. We'll import our criteria, and then we're going to call list on this just like we did with the query. So we can do criteria.list. And right now this is set to user total. We'll want to change this back to user. And then let's just go ahead and print out the user names. And again, before I run this, I'm going to exit out of Eclipse and then restart Eclipse just to make sure that we don't have a problem. Since we were in this criteria editor, it does tend to hang up that session. So now let's go ahead and run our application. And we can look at our console output. We can see we get Joe, Bob, Amy. So our criteria query is working. And you can see at this point that this isn't very verbose. It's basically just one call to create the criteria for a particular class. But you'll see in a minute here as we add some restrictions to this that this will get a little bit more verbose than an actual HQL query does.